Chevy 2500 HT. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because as you know, these trucks do come with a factory alarm, but they don't have any type of impact sensor. So if anybody bangs on the window or any window and they break it, they can jump right in and take off with your truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and arm it. We'll give it 30 seconds because factory alarms have a delay. And basically from the phone, when it does fire off, we also gave him the notification to the phone. So when it fires off, he wanted some kind of alert in case he parks somewhere and he does construction. He's going to be far away from his truck. So the shock sensor is totally separate from the part that sends you an alert to your phone. That's another module. Some people just get the shock, and then some people get both, the shock and the alert on the phone. It all depends on the customer or what their budget is, or you know, what their needs are. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. It's gonna set off the alarm. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off with the remote.
Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Okay, you got the alert. Sometimes it comes in a little faster, and sometimes takes about that time. That's the worst I've seen it. But a lot of times it comes in faster. It all depends how congested the server is. This shock sensor add-on with the alarm alert was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. We do have DIY kits, so anybody interested, we can sell you the kit and you can do your own shock sensor add-on, and we can talk about that linker module as well. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.